Hey, what's up YouTube, Instagram? It's LPSTYLES and I'm back with part 2 on how to use the sleek stick to lay your wigs. Now ultimately I'm going to be using 2 products from LPSTYLES Co to show you how I go in and tame this frontal and make it look really neat, give it that relaxed edge look, and ultimately give it a very sleek and smooth finish. So as you can see, I'm going to get right into it. Already I'm using our sleek stick to add to the desired areas that I'm going to be using my hot comb on. Now as I mentioned in part 1, and if you read the captions of my post, you'll see that I wrote about some of the benefits of our wax stick as opposed to other wax sticks. I know with a lot of my customers, they worry about their hair being weighed down from product buildup, and some of them are scared that they'll burn their hair because of the products they're using. So in today's video, I'm featuring the wax stick and or silk infusion serum. This is the silk infusion serum. It acts as a heat protectant. It also has some silk elements in it, so it really helps build the elasticity in the hair. It helps prevent breakage and just gives the hair a very nice natural shine. So as you can see, just from adding those 2 products, I use the wax stick to go around the entire perimeter of the hairline and on the parting of the hair, and then I use a little dime-sized drop of the silk infusion serum and edit it to those parts as well. Now I'm just going to comb this product through the hair so that it's evenly distributed, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and I'm going to use that to press the edges out. This is like the second step into helping it look natural, minus the plucking. In order to really get it to look very nice and natural, you're going to have to go in and pluck that hairline and remove some of that density, and then next you want to follow up with this exact video. You want to do this in your next step because this is all imperative in order to have a nice natural install at the end. I also recommend, if you are a stylist who does wig installs on your clients and you do ready to go wigs, or if you can have your clients drop their wig off prior to coming to the appointment, this helps you move through the install a little bit quicker because a lot of the steps are already completed versus the client bringing in a wig fresh out the box, no customization, no bleaching of the knots, no tweezing. It's a cumbersome process and it's very tedious, and sometimes that can be what is frustrating when it gets to the actual install part, because all of this is before the actual install, which later at the end of part 2, I'm going to have a clip of the actual install of this wig on my client. She really loved this color. We did a custom color. She loved the color. She loved how I revamped it. It's so crazy that we literally used this wig, I want to say we installed it about 3 times. So technically this will be our 4th time. Well, don't quote me. It may be our 3rd or it may be our 4th time. But if you do wigs, if you wear wigs, then you know that's a good amount of times to get wears out of your unit. You know, especially now with COVID, a lot of the supplies have gone up and the demand is, well, the supply has gone down and the demand has gone up. And that's what makes these wigs expensive in some cases, you know, but a lot goes into it when you have a quality wig that can last you as long as and over 3 installs. So I'm really happy for my client. I was so happy to go in and revamp this wig and actually get some really good content for you guys to show you how to use the products from my hair care line. Just now, if I'm going to put on the screen our website, my website, you can visit me online at www.lpstlesco.com and you can purchase these products. Right now, the wax stick or sleek stick is, I love calling it the sleek stick because it just really gets the job done. And as you can see right now in the video, this wig is already coming to life. So I'm super happy. Right now, our sleek stick is $10. That does not include shipping. And soon I'm going to be having some specials, and I might include some free shipping promo codes for, you know, the first 10 people or so like that. So if you think I should have some type of special or some type of promo like that, let me know in the comments that that's what you want, so that you can actually use the sleek stick. You can see what it's all about. A lot of my customers who have already purchased the sleek stick and purchased the Silk Infusion Serum really love it, and I'm just so happy to have created a product line that helps my customers, helps my clients that I see on a day-to-day basis, help their hair needs. It's so important when doing any type of heat styling to have a heat protectant and to have products that aren't hard to understand. And I think I really accomplished that in creating these two products. So please visit me online at www.elliebyelco.com and purchase the product. Support my Black business. I appreciate every viewer in advance. Let me know what you want to see next. I think I'm doing pretty good with getting these YouTube videos out, these Instagram videos out. It's kind of hard building content and having to, you know, travel and be a full-time hairstylist and business owner, you know. So please just show me some love in the comments. Let me know that you enjoy my content, you enjoy these videos, and that you appreciate my consistency in dropping this good, informative content. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all later. There we go.
Hey. Mom. Never disappoint. Yes, baby. Yes.